climate change, boys. Climate change, boys.
All of this used to be trees, but it's not. This is why it's a problem, because trees account for 30% of all the world's land, and deforestation accounts for between 12% and 17% of the annual carbon emissions. And also trees would suck in more instead of releasing more, so it would help. And then the U.S. is a major problem in deforestation because they're only 5% of the world's population, but account for 30% of the world's paper consumption. And then we also burn that paper when it's the end of the school year, so more carbon. You really thought I was going to drink that water. Well, I won't, and neither of you after you learn these disgusting water facts. About 320 million people in China don't have access to clean water, and 13% of children living in third world countries die from disease from unclean water. And, well, you think, well, those are third world countries and in China. Why does that affect me? Well, 5 people in Flint have died due to water disease since 2014. And 14 billion articles of garbage, mostly plastic, have been found in the ocean and are still polluting it to this day.
Garçons, c'est changement climatique. Oui, oui, baguette. Now, I'm going to talk to you about the Paris Climate Change Agreement. Alright, so, the U.S. is looking to leave the Paris Climate Change Accord or Agreement, whichever one you want to call it. And that would make it joining countries with the likes of Syria, who didn't join because there's civil war that's going on, and Nicaragua, which didn't join because they didn't think it was strong enough. And yeah, it was pretty much a universal signature. It's been ratified and signed in almost every country except for, of course, Syria and Nicaragua. And that's all I have to say about it. Later.
What is methane, and where does it come from? Methane is a molecule containing 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, and it comes from livestock. Methane in the atmosphere, there is 200 times more carbon than there is methane, but methane accounts for 30% of the warming that carbon does. This means that methane is way more dangerous of a molecule than carbon. In fact, methane from livestock accounts from 18% of the global warming issue caused a day. It's more than transportation in all forms combined.
65% of all greenhouse gas emissions are from carbon dioxide. Over 213 countries have produced a total of 29 billion tons of CO2 since 1850. Many causes of the amount of CO2 put into the atmosphere are from human activity, including the burning of fossil fuels, vegetation, transportation, and factories. Since the Industrial Revolution, the rate of CO2 in the atmosphere has increased by 260%.
So, what can you do to prevent climate change?
Well, a way you can help is to make sure that America stays in the Paris Climate Accord.
Alright, so you may be wondering, what's the solution to deforestation? Well, I'm saying, just be a responsible person about buying paper products. Also, try and plant more trees.
A way that you can help cut down on methane emissions is to not eat as much meat from livestock.
So a solution for water pollution is to recycle more of your plastic so it doesn't end up in the water or the ocean as much.
Solution to carbon emissions is to enforce a carbon tax on big industries so we don't pollute as much.
Subscribe! Become a climate change boy today!